Hey fellas, today we're going to dive into 7 important reasons why people might instantly dislike you. Being aware of these factors can positively impact your relationships. So let's jump right in. Weak body language. Having strong posture and body language leaves a positive impression on others. Stand tall, square your shoulders, and make eye contact. Reflect confidence through your body language. This will strengthen your communication and leave a good impression. Engaging only in small talk. Limiting conversations to surface-level topics can hinder forming real connections. Try discussing interesting and meaningful subjects to build deeper connections. Ask questions about the other person's interests and strive for meaningful conversations. Lack of conversational awareness. Observe the reactions and interests of the person you're speaking with. Showing genuine interest and actively listening makes the other person feel valued. Adjust your conversation style based on their responses to create genuine communication. Weak voice. A strong and clear voice enhances your communication effectiveness. Practice voice exercises to strengthen your voice. Speak clearly and audibly to instill confidence in others. Poor hygiene. Personal hygiene affects the first impression. Brush your teeth regularly, take showers consistently, and maintain cleanliness. A good appearance and hygiene contribute positively to how others perceive you. Humble bragging. Avoiding humble bragging is important to avoid coming across as insincere. Be mindful when talking about yourself and avoid exaggerating your qualities. Appreciating others and acknowledging their achievements is important. Excessive sharing on social media. Oversharing on social media can violate personal boundaries. Maintain a balanced approach to your social media posts and choose content that won't make others uncomfortable. Protect your privacy and share thoughtfully on social media. So, those are 7 reasons why people might instantly dislike you. Being aware of these factors can positively impact your relationships. Implement these tips to improve yourself and build more positive connections. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. See you in the next one.